In this video, we're going to take a look at how we go about reviewing and optimizing our scan data. In the previous video, we saw how we imported our scan data and how it created two links based off the links we created whilst we were out on field. Now that we have the data imported, we can see that those three scans have now created a bundle. To quickly review the bundle, we can simply select the bundle and jump into a bundle cloud to visually check that our data is correct. From here, we can also use the TruSlice tool to allow us to cut sections through our data and move vertically or horizontally through the data to ensure that we do not have any registration errors. This is a good way of checking to make sure that our data is lined up correctly before we move on. If we discover there's any errors, we can simply use the Pick Setups tool to select the two setups that we need to align and then jump directly into our Visual Alignment tool. In our Visual Alignment tool, we can simply move and we can rotate our scan until it is best placed. Looking at a top-down view and also a side view will allow us to ensure that our data lines up correctly. Once we're happy with our visual alignment, we can simply hit Join and Optimize. The software will then join and optimize our scan data and show us a histogram showing us our absolute mean error and also our percentage overlap. A residual histogram diagram will be displayed to show you the quality of your data. Once happy, we can click OK and we can now see the optimized data. Checking it in TruSlicer, we can see that the data is correct and we're ready to move on. We can review the data from each scan position by selecting the setup and jumping into a setup cloud. From here, we can see the imagery taken from the scanner as well as the point cloud data. We have different ways of viewing the scan data. We can view it in hue and intensity mode. If we turn off our images, we can see the point cloud. We can also view it in true color and also in grayscale. We can navigate around to see exactly the data that we've collected from this setup. If we want to see the data we've collected from two setups that are linked together, we can simply select the link and we can navigate to the link cloud. This will show us the data from the two setups that we've linked together. We're also able to see any GeoTags that we've created within our project. Once we're happy with the way our data is looking and the way our data is registered together, we're now ready to move on to the stage where we can clean our data and remove any information that we no longer need.